Today we're going to make Chicken Tinga Quesadillas. Let's get started. Chicken Tinga really just means pulled chicken, and so the chicken is actually slow cooked, so you're going to need a crock pot for this recipe. And the nice thing is it's really easy to throw together when you get home from work, so you can throw it in the crock pot at the start of your day, come home, throw dinner together, and you're done. In the crock pot, I threw in 4 chicken breasts, 2 diced sweet onions, 2 cans of chipotle peppers in the adobo sauce. Now these are not diced up in these cans, so you are going to have to pull them out of the can, dice them up smaller, put them in the crock pot. Make sure you get all that sauce from the can in there with it. And then 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Then you're going to season it up with 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a hefty amount of salt.
Add about a half cup of chicken broth.
Then you just stir that up, set it on high in the crock pot, and it'll be done in about 4 hours. Or you can set it on low and it can be done about 6 to 8 hours. When you get home from work, all you have to do is take some of those vegetables that have been stewing in the crock pot all day. We're going to spoon as many of those out as we can and put it in a blender. We're going to pulse that a few times, kind of making a sauce. While the vegetables are out, you could go ahead and pull your chicken apart. It should shred apart and pull apart really easily. And then you can pour that sauce that you just made with the vegetables right back in. And then you can let it sit for about another hour until you're ready to use it. So once all of that's done, this is what you end up with. You end up with this nice shredded chicken that's nice and saucy, full of flavor, full of spice, and that's going to go in our tacos. So these are quesadilla tacos, so we're going to be putting quesadilla cheese on these. I've also got some fresh flour tortillas. Our grocery store, H-E-B, here in Texas makes fresh tortillas every day. So I picked up some fresh tortillas for our tacos. So let's get our griddle started. I'm going to go ahead and turn my griddle on to high heat just to get it warmed up. Once it's warmed up, I'll turn it down to about medium. Going to go ahead and throw down just a little bit of oil. This will help get the quesadillas nice and crispy. We're going to throw our tortillas down, and I'm using quesadilla cheese. You can use whatever you have, whether that be like Mexican cheese or anything you got. So then we're going to get some of our chicken tinga right here. Throw that down on one side of your quesadilla so that we can fold it over. Alright, and before closing them up, we're going to throw on some salsa verde sauce. Help if I open it. We're going to let those continue to cook until they get nice and crispy and melted. Once they're nice and crisp on both sides, we're just going to pull them out, serve them up. And then once you have them, serve them with a side of tortilla chips. And there you have it, beautiful chicken tinga tacos. All right, let's give it a try. That chicken is so juicy and full of flavor. And nice and spicy, but not too spicy. Then that cheese melted in there, so good. Let me know, would you make these? And if you do, make sure you let me know in the comments. Until next time, thanks for watching.